Good day, my name is Charlotte, and my daughter is a student from VR Academy. She's been a student for the last 2 years, and it all came about when we realized that Isabella, being on the spectrum, a special needs child, that we should rather focus on what she is good at than academics. So it was important for us to give her the skills she needed. So when we started with VR Academy, we did loads of research, and they had the brilliant, perfect program for us to start with. We started with film studies, and as we went along, it built up and up to where she is now. We started this year going into the studio because they have the best equipment that you can find for studying in VR. I recommend this to every single parent. The world is at your fingertips. You can see anything you want and experience anything in the world through VR Academy, through VR.
Maya is 13 years old and lives in UK. We visit Dubai many times and have never come across something as amazing as a VR Academy. She used the immersive experience and was engaged throughout the whole 30-minute session. She's absolutely enjoyed every moment of that session. I've never seen her engage so much. The experience was not only for that moment, but also after. She seemed focused at the day and the task. I want to thank VR Academy for everything you have achieved and continue to achieve.
VR Academy. Empowered minds shaping tomorrow.